Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So let's get right into it. I have a project management tracker here with columns like project name, project manager, and so on. We are looking to create drop-down list for project status and resources allocated. Let's start with project status column. To set up a drop-down list for the project status column, I have already populated another sheet called status options, which lists statuses like in progress, completed, under review, and so on. Now let's go back to our project management tracker. Select the range of cells where you want this drop-down list to appear. Head to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, select List from the Allow options. Click the icon next to the Source box to navigate to our Status Options sheet. Highlight all the statuses listed there, press Enter, and then click OK in the Data Validation box. Let's test it out. As you can see, when you click the cell, a drop-down menu appears with all the options we set. And if someone tries to input any other data that's not in the drop-down list, Excel will display an error, ensuring our data stays consistent. Moving on, let's create a drop-down list for the resources allocated column. Select the range of cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. Go back to the Data tab and click on Data Validation. Just like before, select List in the Data Validation settings, but this time directly type Yes, No into the source box. Click OK, and now you have got a drop-down list. Just two options, yes or no. And that's it. That's how we create drop-down list in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.